Yes, you can also make your brain sharp like Google by following 10 simplest, proven, and most effective ways. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. And at the last, I will tell you a bonus fact that will help your brain grow 10x faster. Not only brain, your whole body. So, let's see the video. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get more new informative videos. So, let's start to become a Google. Number one is try to have a healthier brain. You can say that I exercise every day, so I have a healthier brain. No, mainly exercise are for muscle strength, but exercise are also for the improvement of brain, like like walking. If you can hiking on nearby nature trails, tennis, yoga, these type of things can help you out in improving your brain power. Without wasting time, let's go to the number 2 fact that read books read books that are mysterious, informative, and knowledgeable. I'm not telling that this is for your knowledge. No, this is for your knowledge, but it also improves your brain. Why? Because much reading and writing. Always write and read, both the things you should do, because these both, if you do this regularly in an average quantity, so memory decline decreases by 32%. Wow. And let's move on to the number 3 fact. Eat healthy to stimulate your brain. As we all know that nuts, fish, and eggs are a healthy diet for brain, so you should eat this if you are capable of this. I'm not forcing you, but you should, because it helps your brain to become healthy. Like if you exercise, it will become healthy. If your diet is also okay, your full body will be healthy. So with a healthy brain, you should also have a healthy body. Not only brain is sufficient. Always remember, always try to have a good posture. Always try to stand or sit or sleep in a good posture, I mean in a straight way. Like if you are sitting in a posture like bending your backbone and sitting, it will affect your brain. And I have also heard from my teachers, yes, my teachers, that if you sit straight and read anything, it will you will remember it for long term. I don't know, but I see this, it is effective for me. It can also be effective for you. And then go to the number 5 fact, or the 5th fact. Get plenty of sleep to improve your memory. Yes, we should always sleep 7 to 8 hours every day. A human being should do this, or else he will be in a big trouble. You will start forgetting things often, or if you have this habit, you should sleep for a average time. Let's go to number 6. Wait. I tell you, number 5 fact is memory. Yes. So number 6 is play games or draw. As we all know that games improve our fitness, and if we are fit, our brain is also fit. Why? Because if we play, we are in a good mood, and if we stay happy, so our brain will stay also happy. And try to play indoor games also, not only outdoor games like chess, try a Scrabble, and other games. And you should draw, because our brain is based on imagination. The imagination is more important, is more effective and more important than the experience. Because if you have a great imagination, so you have a very great brain power. If you imagine many things that no one imagine, or if you imagine many things, so you should draw it recently. How you draw, it's on your own, but you should draw it. We all have color, pencil, and paper in front of us. If you are elder, this is for you also. If you are a kid, this is for you also. Let's move on to number 7 without wasting the time. Listen to music or play an instrument. If you play guitar, piano, violin, so it is very good. I will mark you 100. And if you listen to music also, I will also mark you 100. And if you don't start this habit from today, to get 100 because it helps to improve your brain. You must have heard about this, that there are many musics that improves our brain power, like doing meditation we should listen to music, and our brain powers opens through music because musics are one of the most effective things in the world, we all know. Let's move on to number 8. Learn a foreign language to boost your brain. You can learn foreign language. This is not very compulsory. You have to do this. No, if you are studying your language only, study it thoroughly. Study it in a very great way. Study it like this that you will never forget it in your life. Like if you are learning your mother tongue language, so you are not forgetting it like that only. Let's move on to number 9. After that 10, and then you will get your bonus fact. Number 9 is find a new hobby to strengthen your brain. Like says for kids is fishing, swimming and gardening. These are for kids. And if you are an elder person, so for you sewing, gardening, cooking, knitting, photography, fishing, swimming, these are effective. For elders all are okay, but for kids not all are okay. So if you hold this or if you follow these hobbies, so your brain will open, because as I said that these are proven ways. Many people are getting effect and getting improvement by following this step regularly, because a hobby is one of the thing. Let's move on to number 10, or the last fact. Write frequently. Writing improves your memory and communication abilities. In the end, it doesn't matter what you decide to write, because simply expressing yourself will boost your brain activity. These 9 easy writing exercises can jumpstart your creative energy. Have fun and enjoy a brain workout by writing one of the following. You can write poetry, creative stories, song lyrics, handwritten letters, cards, blog posts, emails, and many more. I write not poets. I am not a poet, but I write poems and creative stories, adventure stories. I like it. So these were the 10 most effective points. So now the turn is for the bonus. Wow. The bonus fact is you should meditate. Try to meditate 2 minutes a day. Try, and as you meditate, you should increase your time, like 2 to 20, not 2 to 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 20, then to 1 hour, then 1.5, 2 hours, like this. Because while meditating, your whole brain not only brain, your whole body gets a rest, and after getting a rest, whatever you will learn or know after it, you will catch it very quickly and you will remember it for a long while. And I have also try out these ways, and I am also getting many improvements in my brain skill. So you also try, and if you want to get these types of video, so subscribe and press the bell icon. And till then, see my other mysterious and informative videos. Till then, bye. I will be here with my new videos daily. Remember, daily. Thank you.